We have our ups and downs, but we weren't jealous of each other.
Yeah.
We were competitive. The idea was if a car gets 5 wickets in first inning, I wanted to get 6 wicket in second innings. And in the end, Pakistan team benefited.
Yeah.
So it was a healthy competition, I reckon.
Look, I think, I always say that my success has come because Wasim was bowling from the other end, because it gave me a lot of energy, boost my confidence. And what we used to do is, if I finish my over, I never used to go on final leg or third man. I'll go and stand at mid-off, vice versa. He used to do the same. And we used to tell each other what to do next ball, and the ball after, and a ball after. So I really, praise and thanks God that for having him at the other end, because the performance came together, really made Pakistan do well.
Sorry.
No, you go.
No, when he had 4 wickets and I was on the other end, I tried that I'd just bowl little outside off stump. And then Waqar, vice versa, he did the same thing, that I get the fifer.
Really?
So I think, it was a healthy competition. We had our differences on and off the field. You play for 15 years, you're bound to get. You have your differences with your missus. You know what I mean? So,
The last time I met him, when he was actually the day he became Prime Minister, I went all the way from Australia to congratulate him on that. We always, cherish our time. He spent long time with us, even though he didn't have that much time, because once we go there, he wants to talk about the game. He loved the game. He played for so long, and he played with us, and we are like his children.
Yeah.
So it really enjoy meeting him and talking about the game. And every time you go there, he wants to have a lengthy conversation on cricket.
he was watching it today. He WhatsApped me in the morning.
Really?
Yeah, I think it was about 8 o'clock. He was watching Babar Azam and Rizwan's inning. And he wrote me a couple of lines that congratulate Babar Azam, the way he batted, and Rizwan as well. So that was a good sign that it was Sunday as well. So he was still enjoying cricket whenever he gets time.